Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, May the 29th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, uh, today I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one I will do is the 3 stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 8619. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 30, so 5 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this really a 3 stars or 0 stars puzzle? Alright? So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have 1 and a 9 in this set column, so no 1 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9, so 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, 5 missing numbers. In this big square, 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 in this third column, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9, 3, 8, 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in this row, so no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. Alright. 2 numbers left in this second column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, let me see. We have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then in the 5 here. Alright. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here. Well. 2. Need a 2 here. How about the number? Need a 5. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. I'm thinking the 4 here. Come on. The 1, 2. Well. 4. How about the 6 in the last row? 6 in a row above, so that row, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in the middle column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 1 and a 9, well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be 9, and this box should be a 1. 1 box left now in this column. For number, I believe the 2. The 2 is missing. No, we have a 2 here. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Almost made a mistake. 5. Double check. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Well. And now I need to think. 7 here. Well. Come on. 7. 7. 7. Need a 4. Need a 3 here. Need a 9 there. 9 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, and 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. And look, we have 4 and 7 in this big square, so no 4 and 7 in this box. 4 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 5. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 there. There. Alright. 2. The 2 there. The 1. With all the 6s and all the 6s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 6. How about 9. Come on. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. We have a pair, I believe. The 4 and the 7 in this row. The 4 and the 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. And here we have a pair also in this column. Okay, so 1 and an 8 are left. 1 and an 8. Well, 1, 8, 9. I need a 9 there. Yeah, we need a 9 in this big square. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 9 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Same for the 8. We need an 8 in this big square. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 8. Well, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then the 8. Need an 8 there. We need a... Come on, come on, come on, come on. 8. Need 8. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. But the 2, the 2. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers here. Need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Here, give me 2. Give me 2, 2, 2. So we need a 2 here. Well, need a 3 here. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers in the last column is number 3. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. Here can be 3, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only place level 3 in the last column should be there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places level 9 should be here. Or there, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 8 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. The 8 in this column, the 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next, on the last column, and the only 2 places level 8 should be here. Or there, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. A 1 box left in the last column for the amount. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places level the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. Numbers 4 and a 7. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 7. 7 and a 4. We have a 7 now in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left now in this column, middle column for number 1. We have a pair, the 1 and the 3 in this row, the 1 and the 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2, 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only place left the 4 is should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for them is the 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finishing 30 minutes. Well, told you, I need 40, maybe 30 minutes, and definitely a 0 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.